Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. And these are our self-growing planters. They're called Torpedopots. It's about 9 of these planters, and they're growing about 200 cucumbers. I don't water. I don't have to come out and take care of my plants anymore because the planter grows my food for me. And it grows it so much better than I can do than anything I've ever seen before in my life. And so it's about to start producing a lot of cucumbers. And it does such a great job of it. It's so beautiful. And so we're gonna come back and we're taking a look at what's really going on with these planters. So we expect this whole wall here, this whole wooden wall, to be covered with vines. Should drop down from all of these planters, and they'll be covered, and they're going to be absolutely stunning and beautiful. They won't be just on one side of the wall, but they'll be also on the other side of the wall. Look at this! Just look at this, all this growth. I'm just hoping that the insects can reach this quick enough to do what it needs to do. It's amazing, truly, truly amazing. And so what's interesting is that you can go walk across your plant and you can see all of your predators that may be laying eggs and things like that on your plant. So it's easy to really see what's going on. And I love it. You get to see the conditions that brings about that beautiful, beautiful plant. Look at all the hairs on that plant. You know how gorgeous that is? That is absolutely stunning. Stunning, 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 stunning. And we have a lot of them that are growing right now. So they're probably just watering first thing this morning. They're getting their water and they're having a great old time, grand old time. My concern is that they produce cucumbers and lots of them. I want to see a lot of flowers, blossoming, a lot of blooming. Look at the blooming per square inch. I mean, that is just amazing to what's going on right there, and I love it. And that's what Torpedopot does. It allows your plants to develop and grow the way you want it to develop and grow. And it just does it so well. So, so well. So I just wanted to show you this so you'll know what's going on. Guys, these are Torpedopots. They water and take care of your plants for you. You never have to take care of your plants again. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in that planter and you walk away, and guess what? They grow your food. And they do it so much better than you and I can. Look at that back there. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of growth, guys. A lot of growth. A lot of growth. I'm so happy that I have these Torpedopots because the only thing I come out and really do is to look at the plants and wonder when, oh, they're beautiful. Look at this. Look at that little bee doing its job. Doing its job. And that's what we want to see in this Torpedopot. We want to see them enjoy themselves and go from flower to flower to flower and just pollinate, 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 pollinate. And they're doing a fantastic job. Fantastic job of going through and harvesting what that insect needs to harvest, and they're doing a fantastic job, guys. All right, talk to you later. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. All right, bye-bye.